This is Mika, and I'm super excited to announce the launch of a new feature that we call Budgets. So, what is this about? Budget is a new way for you to track your time on a certain project, certain client against a certain target that you have. So let's say you plan to spend 100 hours on a certain client and you want to see how much your team has already spent this month, this quarter, or any other time range that you would like to see. So let's just go ahead and try it out. I'm going to create my first budget. I'm going to call it, let's say I have a new client and this is a project for Linkom. I can select data sources here. It can be anybody that is connected. So all data sources, the entire organization. It can be a certain team, so a calendar group that you've created, or individuals. I'm just going to go ahead and say everybody. And I want all of us to spend 10 hours. I'm going to say per month, but you can also select a fixed period. So if you have a project that starts on the 1st of June and ends on August 30th, that's what you can specify by clicking fixed period. I'm just going to say it's per month and have a certain property, which is project and Linkom. Do make sure that you have those properties set up. You can always customize them. Yeah. And then I'm going to say we start on June 1st and don't have an end date since it's recurring. That's it. I can see that in my team, we've already spent 4 hours on this client this month, and we are pretty much on track to hit our goal of 10 hours this month. And yeah, you can see my entire team is over here, and it basically allocated the hours evenly by default. You can always go ahead and say, I want this person to spend 3 hours, this person to spend 4, 2, and then 1, for example. And then you'll be able to see utilization against the target that you have set. You can always switch and change this view. What you can also do though, and that's something that after a lot of feedback we've decided to include, is you can associate every hour with a certain hourly rate. So let's say we have this person, their labor cost, like the labor cost for us is $100 per hour. Let's say 100 as well. We're going to do 120 and 80. Yeah. And yeah, so basically this calculates the entire budget that you are planning to spend. So by allocating this many hours, it calculates how much you are planning to spend. And this is how much has already been realized. And you also see the remaining budget over here. So really the long-term goal here is to help you calculate profit margin on every project. We're going to add a capability for you to add project revenue and then calculate how much you've already spent in terms of hours, but also in terms like what costs are associated with those hours, so that you really know how profitable every project is. And that's basically it. You can see this is on track. You can always filter if you have multiple projects. You can always say what's wording, what's maybe over budget. In this case, this is on track, so everything looks good. Thank you so much. We're super excited for you to try it out. Do let us know if you have any questions or any concerns, anything that we should develop next. Always excited to hear from you. Thanks.